This is our second annual Swarmathon, where we have students from 40 different colleges and 30 different high schools who have participated over the last year. And this is our culminating event, where students program swarm robots to gather cubes that we have distributed in arenas in the parking lot of the Kennedy Space Center Visitor Center. What the students are learning are the programming and software engineering skills to have their robots become a large cooperative team that collects these items and brings them back to a center collection zone. What their ultimate goal is to develop autonomous robots that can be sent for important missions here on Earth, but NASA's ultimate mission for these robots is to send them to space. As part of the journey to Mars, the group we work with here at Kennedy Space Center is looking for swarm robots that will be able to land on the surface of Mars, collect the resources like ice, building materials, and fuel for the astronauts that will arrive subsequently. We're excited to be part of this big initiative, and it's particularly gratifying to work with students from a variety of minority-serving institutions from around the country.
1% of computer science PhDs are actually African American males, so I want to help strengthen those numbers and join that rank. You could do anything that you set your mind to, so whether it's anything to like the extreme where you have the self-driving car with Google X, or if you have something really cool like Swarmathons with NASA's robotics, so you could do anything you want with coding.
One of the great things about this event is that this is a part of our strategic plan of STEM engagement. And STEM engagement is really focused in giving authentic experiences to students. And so that's our goal, is to increase the number of students that are graduating with STEM degrees so that we can meet the needs of the future workforce.
It's more than just coding. It's about a lot of like brainstorming and problem solving, really. So even if you don't know coding, then that doesn't mean you can't participate. They need problem solvers, people who can think outside of the box and just come up with new ways of seeing how to approach the problem that we have not thought of before.
The Swarmathon, it's brought out a lot of positive things for me educationally. The skills I learned with the Swarmathon will take me a lot closer to my educational goals. When we first started the class, I didn't know anything about programming or C++, but as the class progressed, I started learning a lot.
We are using our students as citizen researchers. By having this competition, we're able to take their code and take the best pieces out of it and apply it to solve a real problem that we have.
It's an excellent way of student involvement and participation in artificial intelligence, apart from just coursework, which is, a limited form of hands-on learning, but this gives a hands-on project-based learning opportunity for students. The most important part, I think, is how to live with frustration and never give up.
This was cool, stressful. I probably lost like 10 years of my life because of stress. Hopefully I gained it back because of the excitement, and yeah, that's it. It was awesome. I like it. We'll do it next year, definitely.